Welcome to Fintech Innovate AI, where we simplify complex finance and budgeting topics and turn them into actionable strategies you can use to build a smarter financial future. If you've ever found yourself asking, where did all my money go? Today, we're diving into a simple but powerful budgeting method that can help you take full control of your finances without feeling overwhelmed, the 50-30-20 rule. Let's get started. What is the 50-30-20 rule? The 50-30-20 rule is a budgeting method that divides your income into three key categories: needs, wants, and savings or debt repayment. Here's the breakdown. 50% for needs. These are the essential expenses that are non-negotiable, things like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 30% for wants. This category includes your lifestyle choices, like dining out, entertainment, hobbies, or subscriptions to streaming services. 20% for savings and debt repayment. This portion of your budget is dedicated to building a financial safety net, saving for your future goals, or paying off any existing debt. The reason this rule works is because it's flexible and simple. It ensures that you don't just pay the bills but also live life to its fullest while securing your financial future. So why does the 50-30-20 rule work so well? It's because it's easy to follow, balanced, and flexible. Rather than creating complicated spreadsheets or spending hours categorizing every transaction, the 50-30-20 rule provides a framework that is intuitive. Many people struggle with either overspending on lifestyle, wants, or saving too much and restricting their ability to enjoy life. Let's take a closer look at each of these categories and how you can apply them in real life. The needs category includes all the essentials that you must pay for to maintain your basic lifestyle. For most people, this includes rent or mortgage payments, utility bills, electricity, water, gas, internet, groceries, transportation, gas, public transit, car payments, insurance, health insurance, childcare or tuition. If applicable, these are the things you can't live without, and it's important to ensure that these costs don't take up more than 50% of your monthly income. The wants category is all about the things that make life enjoyable, but they're not essential for survival. It includes dining out and takeout, subscriptions to streaming services like Netflix or Spotify, hobbies and activities like gym memberships, sports, or vacations, shopping for clothes, gadgets, or entertainment. Anything that enhances your lifestyle but isn't necessary. If you find yourself consistently exceeding the 30% mark in this category, it might be time to adjust. Cutting back on non-essential purchases, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding cheaper entertainment options can help you stick to the budget without sacrificing too much. Finally, the savings and debt repayment category is arguably the most important. There are a few things you can do with the 20% allocated here. Emergency fund. Setting aside a portion for unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Retirement savings. Contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. Debt repayment. Paying off credit cards, student loans, or any other existing debts. It's important to treat this category as non-negotiable. Let's explore some practical ways you can successfully integrate the 50-30-20 rule into your financial routine. 1. Monitor your spending regularly. To stick to the budget, it's essential to track where your money is going. 2. Evaluate your budget periodically. Your financial situation and goals might change over time, so it's important to revisit your budget every few months. 3. Reassess your discretionary spending. If you notice that you're overspending in the wants category, take a step back and think about where you can make adjustments. 4. Set clear financial milestones. Having specific savings targets or debt repayment goals will keep you motivated. And that's how the 50-30-20 rule works. Remember, by keeping your spending in check and sticking to this method, you'll build a more secure financial future. Let me know in the comments, how will you apply the 50-30-20 rule to your finances? If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could benefit from these budgeting tips. Thanks for tuning into Fintech Innovate AI. See you in the next video.